So it's been a while since we've come to you about an update about our little new adventure buddy on the way. So in this week's video, we're gonna give you a quick update on Trevi's pregnancy and what we've done up until this point. Cue the intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So being that this was my first child, I was super nervous, anxious, and probably overly prepared. In order to do so, I knew I had a long list ahead of me in order to get ready for this little one. So first on the list was changing that office into a nursery. And so in doing so, I called my mother and she came all the way from Ohio to help us do just that. So not only was my mom an integral part in changing this office into a nursery, but we did solicit the help of Jake and Gianna, which was super fun to see them engage and interactive in getting ready for their new baby sister. So they helped put together the crib, the dresser, the changing table, etc., and even had a little interior design input in the office transformation to that nursery. So without further ado, let's get into our nursery transformation.
So this was a complete surprise to me because I really wanted to have Matt have this opportunity to share this with his mother. So let me tell you, walking into this, wow, what a transformation. It was beautiful. It wasn't overdone. It was very tasteful. It was completely perfect, better than anything I could have done.
So super glad how the nursery came out. So big shout out to my mother, Laura, for all of her help and design work for making sure this baby had a fantastic room to come into.
Speaking of the continuous love that we have really felt throughout this pregnancy, my friends threw the most incredibly wonderful baby shower for us. So my friends put together an open house with a beautiful charcuterie board. About 50 people came in and out throughout the day. It was unbelievable. We had a great photo booth, we had music, and let me tell you, the gifts, I think we got every single thing we needed on our baby list.
It was so cool to see this little one already feeling so much love. So we want to say thank you to all of our family members and friends who have made this shower and this pregnancy that enjoyable. So there you guys have it, a quick update. We've transformed the office to the nursery. We've done plenty of baby showers and received way too many gifts. Thank you again. And we are about ready for this little one to come out of the oven. We are talking about 1 week away from meeting our next adventure buddy. So if you want to see more about what's coming up and what adventures are coming our way with this new one, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Give us that big thumbs up because that's really going to help us out. And comment down below, what are you doing this holiday season? And if you're not sure, click the link above here because we've got some really cool holiday activities coming your way. Without further ado, I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies.
And I'm Trevi.
And remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?